Hello and welcome to my channel Trading Skills. So in today's session I'm going to show you that how can we take trades in a trendy market. So let's analyze the market. So I want to see here, okay, market is trying to go up and I can expect here also a seller's entry too, but I need to wait. Okay, so I need to wait here. Sellers can enter at any time, so no issues. Now after this candlestick I can easily go here with the sellers. If you analyze this market here, you can easily see that a reversal candle at the level on the left side there is a momentum, and because of this thing you can expect here a seller's entry. So let's see what happens here. Okay, market is trying to go down. You can see previous candle opened with a gap up opening, so no issues. Now if you want to analyze the market, now you can see you can set a level like this for the buyer's entry point. Okay, so now okay, let me show you here because I need to show you the trendy trades perfectly. Now you can see here buyers entered, again buyers entered, and exactly from this point sellers entered. Okay, so now you can easily see this area. Now what I need to do here, I need to wait and I need to draw a level. Okay, so this is the level. Okay, now you can see market is where market is a trendy market. It can hit this area and can go up, but we will wait. Okay, now again what I'm seeing here, I am seeing here that after sellers, again buyers entered. But if you analyze one thing here, you can see this is a buyer's area and the buyers are weak, so because of that sellers are entering into the market, and because of this thing, because of this situation, your analysis are perfect, so no issues. Okay, so after this candlestick what I need to do, I will wait because the situation is not clear right now. Okay, I need to wait a bit more. Okay, now I can go here with the buyers. I have taken my trade here in an up direction because you can see market opened here and this is a buyer's entry point as per the trend line, and this candlestick gave me a rejection. It is a level, so because of these few things I took my trade. So let's analyze again because sellers are trying to show their presence a bit more higher than the previous one, but for me the candlestick has to close above our entry point because these are perfect analysis. So if I am doing the analysis perfectly, then I think there is no need for the candle to be closed against our trade. So we will wait and let's hope for the best and we will win. So now you can see I won this trade. So after this candlestick again I will try to take a trade, but again I need to wait a bit more. Okay, because I'm seeing here, you can see it is an uptrend, market needs to go up, and I need to set the levels also. Okay, you can see sellers entered also from this zone, so we need to be very careful in this situation. Okay, so let's see. I can go here with the buyers. I have taken a trade here in an up direction, and now again you will see here a winning trade. So as you can see here, this is the seller's entry point, but now you can see here how strongly market reversed from this zone, and buyers are fully in control to make here a bullish candle. So because of that, you can see buyers are trying to enter strongly, and for me the next candlestick will definitely close here as a bullish. So let's hope for the best, and we can use our minds, but we cannot order the market to close as per our requirement, but we need to do the analysis perfectly. So now you can see again I won this trade. Now after this I will analyze the market a bit more. Okay, now you can see here this is the level, a previous level. Okay, so market closed exactly in that zone, but we need to wait because market can make here a retracement candle, so we need to wait. But this candlestick is a strong candlestick and it can move the market in an up direction too, so we need to be very careful in this situation. Okay, sellers are trying to enter. Okay, now after this candlestick, okay, you can see market closed here as a bearish candle. Now what I need to do here, I need to wait for this upcoming candlestick, then I will decide whether to go with the buyers or sellers in a proper situation. So I need to move the levels a bit more higher. Okay, so I will wait. Okay, okay, sellers are entering and stepping in the market strongly. Okay, they enter into the market very strongly. So I will wait again. Okay, so now you can see here this is also a level, but I need to wait. So I want to show you here the levels. This is the level. So let's see what happens after this candlestick. Okay, buyers are again entering into the market, but I need to wait. Okay, okay, so after this candlestick again I can easily go here with the buyers. So I have taken my trade here in an up direction, and now you can see here I will definitely win. Why? You can see here buyers entered here, again closed here, and again entered from this point. And if you analyze the market here, this candlestick in an upward trend is an engulfing candlestick, and you can see still market will make here this move. So this is short trade, and this will be my last trade. Now you can see I used the trend. I took my trades as per the trend, so because of that we will be in profit when we do the analysis perfectly. Sometimes it gives you what you don't need, but if your analysis are perfect, you will get the results like this. So there is no need to worry about your trading setup will work for you, and trading analysis and trading skills are very much important for you all. So if you have any queries, you can ask me on my Telegram, and you can join our group trading skills on Telegram. The link is in the description. And if you really want to learn the things, you can subscribe my channel trading skills. It will help you a lot. And try to share with each other, try to share the videos, try to subscribe the channel, because this information is very important for you all and it will help you all a lot. So stay blessed you all, have a blessed day ahead. Bye for now.